Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Infinix Note 30. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Infinix Note 30 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Infinix Note 30 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here personalization, and then you need to click here static wallpaper, and then you will see there is a bunch of preloaded wallpaper by Infinix. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this wallpaper, and then I'm going to click here set, and then it will give you option, do you like to set this wallpaper in your home screen, lock screen, or both. So in this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So I'm going to choose here home screen, and that's going to be set in my home screen. So if I go back, we'll see my phone is going to be appear new wallpaper, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily change wallpaper in your Infinix Note 30. Now you might be have a favorite picture, you want to set them in your wallpaper. So for that you can go again here in this settings section, personalization. In this time we're going to click here gallery, and then we will see all our albums. So for example, I want to set this picture, so I'm going to click here apply, and I'm going to click here home screen wallpaper. So you can see this picture has going to be set in my wallpaper. So if I go back, we'll see my phone is going to appear new wallpaper, which is quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily change wallpaper in your Infinix Note 30. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.